This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clone your apps on your Android phone. So you can use two different applications at the same time with different logins. So all you have to do is go on over the Google Play Store and search for this parallel space. So we can go to search, type in parallel space, just like this. Here it is. Tap it, and then install this app right here, app cloning. And then just accept all the permissions on your phone when it pops up. And then anything in this space, this is a free to use application, so you are going to get a bunch of pop-ups and stuff for other applications. You can just go to the top right here where it says continue using the app. And I believe I already have this, but let's go to this. And now I have separate logins for Facebook, YouTube, etc. and I can add apps right here. So if you want to clone your apps, just tap it right here. So here's like Instagram, for example. I think I already have that on there. But when you tap it and add the application now, you can go to it. So I can go to Messenger, and then it's going to force me to log in. So this is going to be a different login for Messenger than you would have on your desktop right here or your home screen. So just open up this parallel space, and you should be able to clone your apps. And then just look for it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.